In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Affirm virtual card. If you've been approved for a loan with Affirm, you can load that approved amount onto a virtual Visa card and use it for a single purchase. It's designed for one-time use at a merchant of your choice, either online or in-store, where virtual cards are accepted. Because it functions like a standard Visa at checkout, most places that take Visa will accept it. Here's how to make a purchase with an Affirm virtual card from start to finish. You'll request the card directly from your Affirm account, open the Affirm app, or go to the website and log in securely using your mobile number or passkey. Once you're in, browse or search for the store where you want to shop so your card is tailored to that purchase. When you're ready, select Affirm virtual card or tap Shop with Affirm to begin setting it up. Next, enter the amount you want the virtual card to cover. Be sure to include taxes, shipping, and any fees the store may add at checkout. It's a good idea to slightly overestimate so your card has enough to complete the order. If the total comes in lower, the unused amount simply won't be spent. Keep in mind you can't exceed your approved limit. Now choose your payment plan. Depending on your eligibility and the purchase, you may see options like 4 interest-free payments or monthly installments. Take a moment to compare the total cost, including any interest, and pick the plan that fits your budget and schedule. Then review the terms carefully so you understand due dates and any applicable rates, and tap Create Virtual Card. Affirm will generate your unique card in a few seconds. When it appears, you'll see the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Copy or save those details somewhere secure and keep them private, because this card is meant for a one-time purchase and should be treated like any other payment card. You can now use the card to check out online by selecting credit or debit card at the retailer's payment page and entering the details exactly as shown. For in-store purchases, where virtual cards are accepted, complete your payment as you would with a standard card number. After you place your order, your repayment plan will follow the schedule you picked. You can track your purchase, view upcoming payments, and manage reminders inside the Affirm app or on the website. And that's it. Quick, secure, and tailored to the amount you need for your purchase.